have words for this. Dangeroso, mi amigo. Alright, Michaela, first impressions on the heat? It's really hot. Oh, I love it. It's like being wrapped in an electric blanket. We're just going straight to the rental car lot. Where? Oh, my name's on the board. Press circle. Oh, President's Circle. What does that mean? It's this right here. I'm not gonna lie, it is hot as all get out. Okay, well here's President's Circle. I think we just pick a car, honey. Birthday boy, what do you want to drive? I guess we just pick whatever we want. I don't know. I've never done this. Me neither. No, I think we should just pick a car. The keys are in it. Oh, choose any car and go. Oh, is that what it says? Choose any car and go. You're driving, pick what you want. I don't want a Mustang. A Charger? All right, well if you don't, I mean, it's whatever you want to drive. My pick would be this funky looking Kia over there, but you want to drive the Charger. How do you know if it's got CarPlay? That has a big screen in it. Okay, so this is what we're doing. When picking up a rental car, we always record the outside of the vehicle so that we can't be charged for any damage that wasn't already there when we return. All right, it looks good to me. Oh. Here, Michaela. Woo. All right, so yeah, let's find where all the receptacles are.
Then turn right.
I hope they don't mind if I film in here.
Now with the food.
Now it's fine.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Oh, is it plastic?
Yeah, it's rubber.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I got out and I saw that rat and I'm like, oh, hell. Whew, well, it's hot here. I love it. It's like 100 and, what is it? 105? But it feels like 90 on the East Coast because there's no humidity. It's hot, but it's not like trying to breathe through peanut butter. It's very nice. Oh, green, beige.
Many hours later.
I'm hungry. So we're here at El Tapatio in Page, Arizona. My buddy Kyle and I came here 5 years ago. And I got this, this came with the chips. It's like a cabbage, onion mix that they make. And it's so good, my mouth is watering as I'm talking about it. And so we came back to this restaurant specifically so that I could get this again because, oh my gosh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait.
Good, wow. You remember it?
Yum. I'll let you guys know. I gotta get more. I don't know what this is. It's so good. So Michaela asked the guy for the recipe. He just brought me a big, huge dish of it. She asked him for the recipe. He said he would get it for me. So look at these margaritas. We're gonna have to hire an Uber to leave here. Look how tired we are.
Oh, that's good.
And I'm supposed to be finishing an edit tonight. I don't know if that's gonna happen. And we have to get up at 4 o'clock for sunrise. Yeah, we'll see. Y'all, I'm like halfway through this margarita. Dangeroso, mi amigo. But score, I have the recipe for the cabbage stuff. So holla. I have to translate it, but sazon. Huevo de naranja, this orange juice, onion, redollo, cilantro, vinegar. Yeah, oh, it's so good, so good. Okay, are we good? All right. So it's sometime in the morning. I don't know what time, but we are leaving this travel lodge. We haven't slept for a day and a half, and we're headed to Horseshoe Bend. Sunrise is kind of already happening, kind of, sorta. But it's okay for what we need. So, I need coffee. Oh, we made it here to Horseshoe Bend. This is, oh my God, this is like legit now. You used to just pull off the side of the road. Oh, let me get this sign right here, honey. Cash only. Sunrise to sunset only, thank you. No overnight parking. And this is Indian land, and you're not supposed to fly your drone, but I see a lot of people flying their drone on the internet. Sometimes it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission. They're gonna say no, it's an Indian reservation. It's a U.S. national park. Okay, let's see what they say. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Horseshoe Bend. How are you?
Doing well. How about yourself today?
Good, thank you.
That's a cool short.
Yes, ma'am. Well, mine hers first time.
It was 2017 when I was here last.
Yes, and that big old hill was so full of sand. It about killed you going over it, didn't it?
Yeah, it was,
What's the rules for drones? Are they allowed to be used here?
No, drones are not allowed to be used because Horseshoe Bend is actually a National Park Service. It takes about 20 minutes in, 20 minutes out. It is a paved trail. And please make sure you take water with you. Restrooms are at the far end of the parking lot.
Yes, ma'am.
sunrise at Horseshoe Bend. Which I saw. Yeah, so see what I mean? The sun hasn't even crested over. You can see where it's at.
Yeah.
So it's not even looking good yet. We're about to walk. walking down here to Horseshoe Bend, and you know, we were talking about this on the way. It's such a privilege to be able to come and see this natural wonder with your own eyes. And so many people will never see this. People don't like to get out of their 50-mile radius bubble of their life, and there's so much world out there. And that's one of the things that we hope that we've been able to do with these vlogs, is expose the rest of the world to everybody and inspire you to travel and inspire you to get out there and see the things that you see on Instagram or you see in a magazine, or, well, who looks at magazines anymore, but you know what I mean. Get out there and see the stuff. But they have built this nice little trail area.
Thank you, COVID.
This wasn't here before. We walked over the damn hump first time and come down, and so that's all I'm saying is get out there and see things, go places, do stuff that you wouldn't normally do, because, you know, Page, Arizona. Who in the world would come to Page, Arizona? But apparently a lot of people.
Oh, there is a $10 fee to get in now, and no drones.
Because we're within 5 miles of the airport, so move the airport. I'm like right into the sun.
Whoa.
That is beautiful.
Cannonball! Was that the spot where you?
No. We were more over there. Aaron, please.
I am sorry.
Well, that guy's tempting fate with his drone. I wasn't gonna do it. But here, I'm doing a sunrise time lapse. But you see there's people down there. What do you think?
Amazing.
Good spot?
I've always wanted to come here.
There's people down there camping. Aaron. Clearly, they came here for Instagram. So I had to switch lenses. I now have the telephoto on here.